What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are headed to EuroCustomsPR, who is a big local vendor here and shop in the Central Florida area. Shout out to Emmanuel. I actually went to him back when I had my F30. The clusters in my F80 right now, the blue overlays on the instrument cluster are actually from him as well. Shout out to EuroCustomsPR. We're gonna be paying him a visit today. As you guys can see by the title, we're gonna be putting on the CS splitter that he has for the CS style lips for these cars, for the F8Xs. I'll insert a picture now for you guys to see, but I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. Do me a favor and hit that like button, that subscribe button. Stay tuned for future car content. But me and Emmanuel have been trying to get this together for a couple months now. I've been busy, he's been busy, so our schedules really don't align, and he's booked up for the whole summer, so I just decided to go over there, pick up the parts. So instead of waiting, he suggested that I just come over and pick up the splitter, and then I do a DIY in the garage myself. I might also pick up some other interior goodies. I'll tell you guys more about that when I get there. But I'm super excited to get his CS splitter because it not only protects my front lip from when I scrape or any other scratches and stuff like that, and it also makes your front end look a lot more aggressive and lower. So yeah, let's get in the F80, warm it up, and head to Rockledge, Florida. All right, we have his instrument clusters right here. These things are super badass, absolutely love them. Let's go ahead, start the F80 up. Super sunny day here in Florida. We're gonna let the F80 warm up, and then we're gonna hit the highway. It's about a 45-minute drive or so, not too bad. I used to go over here pretty often, I mean, when I had my F30 at least, but Emmanuel, EuroCustomsPR, and his dad are one of the most humble, you know, down-to-earth people that I've ever met in the Orlando BMW car community. So huge shout out to you, man. I wish there was more like car events going on in Orlando, because I would see him and a lot of the other Orlando Beamer Club people that we used to hang out with. But if you guys are in the Central Florida area and you need any type of work done, not just the BMWs, anything European, he'll take care of you. He does carbon fiber, power, exhaust, tuning, turbos, you name it, he does it. Interior, as you guys already know. So make sure you guys follow EuroCustomsPR on Instagram, as well as E46 Emma. This is also his other Instagram account. I'll make sure to leave everything linked down below. EuroCustomsPR is located in Rockledge, Florida. So that's near Cocoa Beach or Melbourne or Vieira. So if you guys are in that area or anywhere near that area, I would highly recommend going to Emmanuel. His attention to detail is like no other. I mean, he does everything really meticulously. He only does one car at a time. So you already know his attention to detail is amazing. So definitely recommend him if you guys are in that area. Welcome to Florida, where I literally washed my car yesterday and it is raining. I'm definitely not surprised. I mean, this is what it is living in Florida in the summertime, so sucks to suck, but whatever. At least the car is ceramic coated and it should wash off pretty easily. All right, we made it to EuroCustomsPR, and as you guys can see here, typical Florida, it is pouring rain on the way over here, and now it is beautiful and sunny over by the coast. Just wanted to pause this video real quick to bring you guys a message from today's sponsor, and that's Simply Carbon Fiber. So Simply Carbon Fiber sent me out these sweet carbon fiber sunglasses that match my lifestyle and actually match the whole design of my car with the whole black sapphire metallic paint and all the carbon fiber that I have inside and outside the car. So I love these sunglasses. I wear them anytime it's sunny outside, which is every day here in Florida. I absolutely love them, and as you guys can see right there, the whole frame on the sides is fully carbon fiber. I mean, these look insane. But do me a favor, guys, make sure you guys check out their website. Maybe check out a pair of sunglasses since it's summertime, and you can use my code FH10. I'll pop it up on the screen now, and you can get 10% off your order. So shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back into this one. I know whose F80 this is actually Walter's F80, mineral gray F80 on Instagram. I'll be sure to pop up his IG right here. And then we have Emmanuel's beautiful TRD build. They do a lot of camping and stuff like that, so you already know his truck is the top of the line one that you could buy. And then we have his dad's Carrera S right here. Absolutely beautiful. And you already know, we got the F80 shining in the sunlight. Beautiful day here in Florida. Everybody, this is Emmanuel, EuroCustomsPR. It's good to be back here. Haven't been to the shop in a long time. He's working on a beautiful, 428 right now, doing a downpipe job. Work is busy. Man's always booked up, but definitely hit him up if you're in this area, and he'll do the best quality work. As you guys can see, one car at a time. Yep. Takes his time, does the best work. Emmanuel is the GOAT. And this is the CS splitter from EuroCustomsPR that we're going to be installing on the F80 back in the garage. Emmanuel was kind enough to provide me with the screws that we're going to need. He already mocked up the holes, and then also some 3M. And we might be picking up red goodies from him as well, maybe. But shout out to Emmanuel. He's a busy guy. I appreciate you doing this for us.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Beautiful shop. It's got a new lift from last time that I've seen. And then he's doing a downpipe job over here on this N20. Shout out to the N20 life. If you guys are in this area, definitely hit him up. Man is gonna show me Walter's new air setup. Not a lot of people have seen this, or nobody has seen this yet. Damn.
Color match.
Also known for doing beautiful paint match things, as well as hiding air tanks so well, making it super clean. You guys don't see anything, everything's down below. And you did the paint match?
Yep.
That looks amazing. But Emmanuel, thank you.
Thank you.
It's always good, always a pleasure. We're also probably going to be switching out the cluster to the red, as you guys can see here. Now that you guys know that I have secure orange interior, I think it's time to completely go red with the M buttons as well as the cluster, so stay tuned for that. Before I leave, also had to pick up some red M1 buttons and a red start stop. Emmanuel is super busy, so we just picked up our goodies. I got the splitter and the F80 over there. Just wanted to walk around Walter's car. This man has gone through many wheel setups. His new BCs are super badass. Love them if you're watching this. He's got the acid lime green brake calipers done at Euromotive Performance down at Fort Lauderdale that Ken, the Daily Driven, goes to. That is his Instagram, Mineral Gray F80. And yeah, last time I saw his car was at Invasion. It wasn't bagged. He had a different exhaust. He had a different suspension. He had different wheels. Walter is going all out. His car looks so sick. And you guys saw his beautiful air suspension setup in the trunk. And then over here we have Emmanuel's TRD, top of the line, best one that you can buy on the market. And he just showed me his camper as well. Super badass. CRD Pro, actually. He actually has a camper that sets up in the bed of the trunk, so that's amazing if you want to go camping or anything outdoors. And then we also have his dad's Carrera S, absolutely beautiful with a green interior and a green cage. Emmanuel has a Carrera 4S as well that is actually twin turboed. He didn't bring it today, but he said next time we hang out we can go for a ride along. He said it's pushing like 650 or something wheel horsepower, so that is crazy. Again, I just came here to pick up the splitter as well as some other stuff. Off camera, me and Emmanuel caught up. It's been a long time, so we just chatted it up, talked about life, talked about work, business, everything. So it was good to see my homie. Make sure you guys support him and follow him at EuroCustomsPR on Instagram. Check out his website as well. He also threw in some new swag for your boy. We have the splitter right here. It is just like ABS plastic. He already has the holes mocked up, and then this little film that you guys see is just a film that's on top, so I'm gonna rip that off before install. He also gave me plenty of 3M going above and beyond, and then he also gave me the hardware or screws that I need to screw in. And then, as I just showed you guys, inside we have red clusters, red start stop, red M1 buttons, and then this is also like an applicator kit for the clusters. It's similar to like putting on any vinyl or wrapping. You just want to spray water behind so you can easily move these around. So that'll be a video coming soon, guys. I think switching to red inside is actually going to look sick. That's it here at EuroCustomsPR. We're going to continue this video installing the splitter back in the garage, so let's get home in 3, 2, 1. And we are back in the garage. As you guys can see here, I already have the car jacked up on both sides. We're gonna clean the surface underneath, of course, with some isopropyl alcohol and a clean microfiber. And then this is the splitter from EuroCustomsPR. You guys already know. We got one of the mascots on the channel, Kona. She's always in the garage with me. Aston's a lame-o and doesn't hang out with me anymore. But we always got Kona to help out with the DIYs. But yeah, this should be pretty straightforward. Again, it makes my life easier that EuroCustomsPR already pre-drilled the holes for me. Again, all I have to do is take off this protective film, and then I'm gonna apply some of the 3M that Emmanuel gave me, which is pretty thick, along the back edge right here, and then maybe in between these little grooves. You already know we had to change into the new EuroCustomsPR shirt. I love repping the brands that are on my car, a couple YouTube channels that I follow as well, and then also any local shops around. Now we can officially get into this install. Okay, first things first, isopropyl alcohol, microfiber, and then we're gonna wipe the underside of my CS lip right there. Make sure you get all the dirt and grime off so the 3M adheres properly, and then we will mock it up. Now we are going to take off this film. And now we're gonna apply 3M. 3M is mocked up. All right, 3M backing's all pulled off. And now let's mock it up and finally install it. And just like that, the CS style splitter from EuroCustomsPR is on the car. Shout out to my fiance for helping me hold up the other side while I made sure everything was aligned. Shout out to her. You could probably do this by yourself, but it is definitely easier with another person. The thing is on super tight. You can hear the jacks moving because it's literally moving the whole car right now. This thing is on sturdy as hell, and the 3M he provided was also super strong. I would say it extends from the car. I just measured, it's like a centimeter over here, and then it gets to like a little less than half an inch, and then at the longest parts right around here it gets to like half an inch or so. So I think it sticks out perfectly, and just from this angle alone it looks super aggressive, like way more aggressive. Can't wait to lower the car, pull it out for you guys and show you guys what it looks like. It's hard to get you all the angles in the garage of course, but this angle right here just makes it look so hard. That looks dope. A lot of people all over the states are running his splitter. Again, it not only protects the front lip, but it also looks super aggressive as well. Super happy with the turnout. Make sure you guys check out EuroCustomsPR. And the car is back on the ground. Oh my god, it looks so good. Lower to the floor, but it's also going to protect my lip just in case I do scrape. Kona, what do you think? I think she approves. It is nighttime right now, but I will pull out the car tomorrow morning and show you guys what it looks like from the outside. We'll catch up with you guys then. Alright, it is the next day. Just got done working out in the garage gym. So yeah, let's go ahead and pull the F80 out into the driveway and get you guys a better look at the CS splitter from EuroCustoms. Also, as you guys saw earlier, we're probably going to be changing out the blue M button and the blue start stop, and possibly the cluster to red to match the interior. It's been a good run with the blue, but I think it's time for change. I actually start my car with the garage door closed just for a split second, just to be a nice neighbor, you know, the initial startup. We have the F80 pulled out of the garage, and as you guys can see, the splitter looks menacing. The whole car does from this angle, but you guys can see the splitter looks so nice. Complements the CS lines so well, and fitment on it and the cutout of it is literally perfect. I freaking love it. Can't wait to shoot this for you guys, get some pictures for Instagram. Let me know what you guys think about the splitter. Again, it is very thick ABS plastic, so you know, if we do scrape, which we probably will, not gonna lie, it's gonna protect our lip, and it also just looks so good. All right, we took the F80 out here. We're gonna get some B-roll actually for the beginning of this video, so you guys have probably already seen that. But again, shout out to EuroCustomsPR, already repping the new shirt to the gym. Sorry if I look super sweaty right now, just got done working out. You guys see the F80 with the EuroCustoms splitter. Dude, it looks so hard. It's super subtle, of course, until you get up close, and then you guys can see how aggressive it truly is. I mean, check that out. Hell yeah. Car looks freaking insane right now. But now I'm gonna get some B-roll and let's wrap this video up. But huge shout out to Emmanuel at EuroCustomsPR. Make sure you guys follow him, check him out, and if you guys need any work done on that coast or anything online, make sure you guys check out their website. It'll be linked in the description below. Let me know what you guys think about the splitter as well. Make sure you guys support for sure. I'm super excited. We got some more interior mods, as you guys seen through this video, coming next week, so you guys don't want to miss out. But as always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, hit the bell, and subscribe for future content, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Peace.